Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is the TTScanner Hotlist video. My name is Brad Matheny. I run MENT.com Technologies. Hopefully, you've had a chance to come to my website and check out what I do. I just got done with the custom index video. A little long, but really important this week. And remember, I go over quite a bit of detail. If you are invested in the markets, and you're trying to figure out what's going on, remember, I'm giving you every week, I'm giving you expert predictions as to what's going on, how to protect your money, how to trade, how to really execute at a higher level, and understanding what my custom indexes are and how they work. This video is all about the hot lists, the weekly TTScanner hot lists, which generate weekly swing trades. We've seen a big move in the market. But the reality is that the market is nearing an apex. Let me come over here and show you. It is nearing an apex right now in this chart. I just drew this on the custom index area. You can see we've come down off of this channel and off of this channel. We've just broken up here to the upside. This is really a very broad apex. I mean, you can see here coming down to here. And then from here, coming over to here, this is a very broad apexing pattern right here. We've gotten up above this pattern, but we have not gotten above these previous highs. Let me come in here and show you. Very important that you pay attention to what's going on in terms of price theory and price structure. This is a unique high right over here. We have not gotten above this high. This is another unique high. We have not gotten above this high. Have we gotten above any unique highs back over here? No. We've gotten above a standout high right here, just barely touched it and maybe got above it. But we are still waiting for confirmation based on Fibonacci price theory that we are seeing an upward price trend. We have not gotten above any unique price highs, which means that we are still technically in a downward trend here. We are seeing recovery here, but we need to see some real upward movement. We need to see the market get above this high right here, which is called, come in here, get the data window. High 410, 404, 410. We got to get above 410, folks. That's the bottom line. We got to get above 410 on a close to be able to confirm this upward trend. That tells us right here, 410. I'm going to add it right here. Where is it? Text. We must close above 410 to confirm bullish trend. There you go. And I am going to come off of this, right click, edit, make this bigger, and make it yellow. That's the bottom line. We must close above 410 to confirm a new bullish trend. It is critically important. Okay, so now off to the TT scanners. TTScanner Core Hot List. This is the Core ETF Hot List. We've really got no new triggers. We have one trigger from 3 weeks ago in Hack, which is a short. We're off 3%. We've got some longer term triggers here. We're mixed, bullish and bearish. This happens because the market, so the reason why we're not going to get a whole lot of triggers right now is because the market is apexing, flagging out, just like I showed you on the chart. We are in this mixed sideways mode that is actually quite dangerous if you get overly aggressive right now. So pay attention that you do not want to be getting overly aggressive as a investor or a swing trader right now. You want to be waiting patiently and trying to take advantage of it. Now, from an intraday trader standpoint or an options trader, 2, 3, 5 day options trader, boy, you're getting some pretty good swings. I mean, you are really getting some pretty good swings. And if you can stay aware of the opportunities when they present themselves, meaning not becoming overly biased and not making wrong moves, you can make some really good money in this volatility. Okay, now these are weekly. So these are weekly swing trades. This means that we're waiting for trends that last 2, 3, 5 months or more in length. Okay, this is the invert list. We had a short trigger a week ago here. It's up 2.56% in ERY. That's energy bear. Means that energies have moved up. I expect this to stall out and really weaken. We had a trigger here in Yang bear, which means that China moved up. It's up 8.32%. And we had a trigger here in JDST, which is bear gold miners, which is short, meaning that gold miners moved up. It's at 6.25%. All of these indicate that, you know, the ERY is a bear index and it's short. That means that oil moved up. I really think oil's going to target 65, 64, maybe a bit lower before finding a bottom. Yang is a great trade. I mean, this is a great trade already, and miners should really start to accumulate over the next 12 months. So this is a great trade as well. It's up 6.25%, or sorry, entry price. It's off 1.76%. This is up 14.9. This is up 2.56. Next, we have the TTScanner main list. This is the main ETF list. You can see we've got two older triggers here, 50 weeks and 54 weeks old. We have no new trade triggers setting up here. We are getting mixed setups here, getting a lot more bullish trades coming in. I believe we're going to see a bunch of triggers over the next 30, 35 days. But right now, this flat, this is telling us that we're apexing. We have no real clear direction. We have no real clear trending on a weekly basis. And that means that we are really not trending. Think of it like this. We are really not going anywhere right now. We're not going up. We're not going down. We're not seeing any extended trending that we can rely upon, which is why we're not getting any big triggers here on these TTScanner hot lists. Next, TTScanner value. Now, the value is very interesting because the value hot list is an alternate list I created back in October, November of stocks that tend to be value companies. And the idea here was in the downward trending market, we might end up seeing some growth and opportunity in these. In reality, we've got no new triggers. Again, nothing, no new triggers. So we have, let's go over these. This is a, let me try and drag that over. This is a 30-week old trigger in INTC short. It's up 27%. CVX, Chevron Corporation, long 55 weeks old, up 52%. TVR, Travelers Company, is 12 weeks old, up 3.76%. Really hasn't hit any targets yet. Stop is at 178.97. Merck and Company, it's 11 weeks old. It's warning of a reversal in trend. It's up 6.98%. It has already hit targets. Stop is at 97.02, currently trading at 105. SJM, Smuckers, is 9-week-old trigger. It's up 4.41%, has already hit targets. And lastly is Caterpillar. We have it 5 weeks old, up 13.1%. It's already hit the first target. Stops at 228.17. Entry was 233.90. So again, we're not getting any new triggers. And that's very telling, folks. What that's telling us is this is not the time to bet the farm. This is not the time to be aggressive. If you wanted to, as I've been telling you for the last 2 months roughly, you can start to take smaller anchor positions if you really believe that, you know, with your trading account, not your investment account, but with your trading account, you can take smaller anchor positions if you really believe that this is the opportunity of a lifetime to buy into this dip. My advice is stay very cautious, set your losses, your stop losses effectively so that you can, you know, take and start what I call those anchor positions. Think of it like you're trying to fill, ideally, if we had a great trade setup here, you know, we'd be going in with bucket loads, let's call it. But right now, I'm advising you to go get your little 12-ounce cup, fill your 12-ounce cup up instead of a bucket, protect your 12-ounce cup, and see how it goes. Maybe you can add another couple 12-ounce cups over the next couple weeks if things play out and we end up getting into some sort of a confirmed trend. but I am not seeing this be turn into any type of real aggressive risk on environment yet. We still need to see this play out. We still need to see how this works out. I'm trying to keep you safely protected from a blow up moment. And this is something I need you to understand. Ideally, ladies and gentlemen, when the markets find the bottom and really start to move higher, then we're going to see that opportunity come. And where is that opportunity going to come? Well, like I said, we've got to get above this high. Ideally, we're going to come back up here and retest this. If we get into this mode, this is going to be confirmation we're in an uptrend. This is going to be confirmation that we're capable of moving up to this level. But ideally, we need to see this apex mode play out. And then hypothetically, where's my drawing tool over here? Hypothetically, this level, this buying level right over here, which will probably be June, July, August into the end of the year. This is where we're going to probably be able to become more aggressive. Okay. We're going to have already hopefully broken above this, pulled back. This is going to give us a really good opportunity. As long as we have, really clear trending, we're going to probably see the second half of this year move up into new all-time highs. And this is going to be our real opportunity for some growth. Okay, guys, on to the next video. Remember, come to MENT.com. Check it out. I'm doing all of this to try to help you. Pay attention to my SPY cycle patterns. I don't know if many of you have played with this, but the SPY cycle patterns have been incredible. I mean, absolutely incredible. They're calling moves 3, 4, 5 weeks and months in advance. And I don't know how to explain it to you. It's just incredible to be able to call a breakout bar or an inside bar or a rally bar, 3, 4 months ahead of it actually happening, and watch it play out. And I get these emails from people like this guy, Verdi. Impressive. Last week was also spot on. Even the base rally prediction on Friday. And then Nora, absolutely incredible. This morning I couldn't imagine it. That was in regards to a reversal rally that set up last week. The long and short of it, guys, is when you get right down to it, if you can know what's going to happen 2, 3, 4 weeks in advance with a 70, 80, 90% accuracy, how valuable is that? And remember, I'm trying to build these right now for gold and silver as well. So come check out MENT.com. Come learn about the tools and resources I deliver for you and join the Expert Growth membership. Like I said, you're supporting my research. I'm helping you become a better trader, trying to. I'm giving you all of this information as part of your membership. And I have fully automated trading systems, and I do custom consulting as well. But long and short of it, come to MENT.com, learn about what I do, learn why my research is so important. And remember, when you're going through all of the crap that's out there, really, pay attention to the ones that are really providing you the value and what kind of value you're getting versus people that, that just throw darts at the wall. My systems are anchored. They're believable. They're true. They're full quantitative modeling systems. So remember, I'm giving you my interpretation about what's coming in the market and what I see coming in the market, but I'm also relying on quantitative algos that make decisions for me. A lot of these are just generally like, they take their own trades. They make their decisions. When I go look at the custom indexes, like I was doing in the custom index video, that's where I'm trying to guide you and use my experience and my skills to tell you what's coming next. All right, guys, let's make 2023 a really great year. Come join me, help me out, support my research, visit MENT.com, and remember, tell your friends about it, okay? Tell your friends about what I do so that we can all do this together.